Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix e-commerce SEO with BigCommerce step by step. Start by logging into your BigCommerce dashboard. Navigate to the storefront section in the left-hand menu. Click on SEO to access your SEO settings. Begin with the site title and site description. Ensure your site title includes relevant keywords for your business. Keep the site description concise, summarizing your offerings clearly. Next, visit the Web Pages section to optimize individual pages. Select a page to edit, focusing on product pages for e-commerce SEO. In the page settings, update the page title to include primary keywords. Edit the meta description to enhance visibility on search engines. Make sure each product has unique and descriptive titles. Include relevant keywords naturally in your product descriptions. Monitor your URL structure in the SEO section. Ensure URLs are short, descriptive, and contain target keywords. Check the image alt text for all product images. Add descriptive alt text that relates to the product being displayed. Now, focus on mobile optimization. Ensure that your theme is responsive and mobile-friendly. Test your site's mobile performance using Google's mobile-friendly test tool. Pay attention to site speed as it impacts SEO. Use the web performance feature in BigCommerce to assess loading times. Consider optimizing images and reducing unnecessary scripts. Link your social media accounts to improve online visibility. Integrate the social sharing options available in BigCommerce. Set up Google Analytics to track your performance over time. Integrate Google Analytics from the advanced settings in your dashboard. Create and submit an XML sitemap to search engines. Access the sitemap feature in the SEO section and submit it to Google Search Console. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.